Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by combining proteins and binders so the dip has body. Start by softening 1/2 cup cream cheese at room temperature, then fold in 1/4 cup mayo for creaminess. Once done, add 8 oz chopped cooked lobster and gently stir to keep chunks intact. Make sure to drain excess liquid to avoid a runny dip. You want a cohesive texture that still shows lobster. Finally, taste for salt early so you can adjust later. You now focus on layered flavor and the mouthfeel that makes the dip memorable. Mix in 2 tablespoons lemon juice and 1 teaspoon Dijon to brighten and bind. Add 1/4 teaspoon cayenne for a subtle kick. Once done, fold in 2 tablespoons chopped chives and 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan to introduce savory and herbal notes, and make sure to adjust thickness. Stir in 1-2 tablespoons sour cream or reserved lobster liquid until the consistency is right for scooping. You finish by choosing service style and correcting texture. For a warm gratin, transfer to a small dish, sprinkle 1/4 cup breadcrumbs mixed with 1 tablespoon melted butter and bake at 375 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Make sure to watch the top so it browns but doesn't burn. For chilled service, cover and refrigerate 1 to 2 hours to let flavors meld. If things go wrong, adjust. Add cream cheese for body or a teaspoon of milk to loosen a dry dip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.